One of my favorite parts on the boot camp was assistance with the coaches and the software we implemented to the case study. The thing that I found in common with the students is that we are all coming from multicultural backgrounds. They are talented people and that they are very hardworking.
The highlight about the event is that I had the chance to work with real business cases, with real enterprises, in a way that we can propose ideas to improve the mobility of cities in the future.
When I arrived here, I saw many students. They had this determination, they were very creative, and they were just broad-minded, they were thinking outside the box.